Hey, those two, get these three.
Itchy, fire ants.
Oops.
What are you doing?
I didn't see you there.
You got a fire ant there.
Oh, okay. Calamansi.
Calamansi. Philippine lemon. This is best than the HVD here. Wait.
River.
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 In the backpack in this mountain. There's a little river crossing.
Come on, let's go pick some.
Yeah. It's I think Mesopotamia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You remember this one?
Tigers in Egypt.
Yeah.
I got light. I got four.
Oh.
Damn, yeah, get like crazy.
Meron naman kwan.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. Oh.
You don't have
You know,
mosquitoes.
they take a little of your blood. This is the vampire in here.
Yeah. The lamok.
Lamok.
Oh.
You got you already?
Yeah. See that? That's a big one right there.
Eric, picture.
That's not a mama cow.
Look, Minnie Mouse.
That's not a nipple. It does. Did you get that picture?
Yeah.
It's not a nipple, man. That's just putting on empty there.
Come on, let's take a
Oh, hey.
Let's take a picture by the cow.
Wow. That park. Awan dati, this is a small, very small creek when we were small. When we were young, small. When we were young. Pasit na nato hindi, akasta.
Malayaw mo pa yung kanong karon.
Makasta lang. You can jump it and you can cross the little creek. But now it's a river already.
Yeah, it's big now.
The purpose is this mini dam. Irrigation. Very good for the plant. Rice field. And how many hectares? Irrigated.
Susay.
You can eat that.
You know the water rice here, I think.
Very fresh kind. Ay kabil mo tin eh.
Good cuts.
With his bare hand. You can't with his bare hand.
Susay. Susay.
It's suicide. It's not suicide. I thought he said suicide.
Oh, look. That's
What?
Good lady scout.
SF, special forces. Ranger training this is I hang a crumple. Ito.
What's that for?
Oh, it crumples if you hold.
what does that mean?
This one.
Yeah, it crumples. Look. Touch it and
Crumples?
it crumples. See?
Yeah.
What? What do you
She's shy. No, this one. She's shy when you hold.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, you touch it.
You touch it. You see? She's shy.
Oh, this one. Oh, this one.
All the way down.
No, I think that is another variety.
Oh.
The small one. Ayan.
Yung kabil mo tinarabor. Wow, sige.
Anda na natin sa dito niya.
Lawa-lawa ko ba yan? Peso.
Kita ka mo tilalawa tapos
Ay.
Tilalawa balay.
Wala ka tilaw-lawa pala kayo na.
yan.
Ano uso ko mga pwede atip ng lidda.
Masikod din yan, masikod.
Kogon. So many spider.
There is a game here that they used to fight spiders.
Huh?
Survival for the spider. They will eat the other spider. It eats them.
Muna tayo. Opo. Opo. Sabi niyo.
Opo.
Water plant. Opo.
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 In Tagalog, they call it upo.
Opo yan.
There is
Malapit na sa kalingtaan. Okay, that's the way how to level 5.
Lindabati.
Kind of heavy.
Hold it, thank you.
It is raining. We just came from across the bridge and it is soaking wet. Minarin fell twice. Eric lost his glasses.
Hey, go Kiwi, towel.
Mother Tommy. So wet.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Ako pwede kita eh.
Okay.
Eddie,
Ano
this
na
one.
to?
This one. So many dollar do you have?
After your wife will be involved in one girl.
But you boy.
Before your wife, there is one girl. Then your wife. Then after your wife, you will have a relationship with another girl.
Hey boy.
Maybe.
Boy.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That's your already plan.
Maybe. Maybe. But you will help with your.
Hello, what's your name?
Risa.
What's your name?
Risa.
Manu, yung kaya ipakita ko nga. I don't believe in it. I don't believe.
For fun.
I don't like.
You try it. You try.
This is storytelling.
It's on for fun. It's not true.
Yeah. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Cellphone.
Yeah.
See this one very clear. Maybe she will have. But long. Mabayag. Mamalat ko naman.
Pinag-asawa.
Mabayag ti. Mabayag.
Mabayag nga makapiro nga na. Hindi manu. Mabayag ang ganak.
Kita to.
Ay, mamalat ka.
Kita to.
Dapat ka pa ison mo.
Galit.
O, sige. It's only for fun.
Dapat ka pa ison mo naman.
But I don't believe.
Nagastos mo. Galit eh. Hindi, dire-diretso yung portal na eh.
Pues, amo na yung
Wow.
nanay ko ang punta.
No, res. No, dito yung
Nagadayon mo si.
Baka nagiging single ako the rest of my life. Kaya ganyan.
Bakte, din
It's okay.
Kaya nasa deep relationship eh.
Deep relationship? Sino yung yung blessed ka?
May one car slide. Then there is a
Is like na relationship ko? Awan pa niya.
Wala kita rin wala ada tignan yan.
Siya, crush ng ano.
Ate, may isa dati siguro yung mga early years mo.
Tama yung pupul.
Dati
Dito ba rin
deep
mo?
definition dati slide.
Well, just the door. Sorry na ako ko dito.
Pero yun ang pinaka
Paladan na ito yung sa. Okay.
number.
Ito yung sa. Awang ba yung box? Inawang lang mo. Mga kalagi di Manila.
Lalaki. Lalaki. Dalawang lalaki.
Mamaladan na niya po. Tinatanggal.
Kasi very clear. Tignan mo sa kanya.
I'll
I'll see your
Oh,
right.
right.
Duran.
Ato ti anak na.
Tatang niyengin ko.
May isa, dua, talupat.
Four?
Isa, dua, talupat.
Kamuti.
Bali nakita mo
4 or 5.
Ano?
Duwa nga lalaki.
Baka kambal yun.
Adayo. At anong mabayag?
Kung mabayag, at tatapos 6 ako.
Mabayag ti...
From mag-asawa at mabayag nga hala.
Diyan ka mo. Basta mabayag.
Tayo to yan.
Bago tumating.
Okay. Maalak na ganyan.
Very
Kamuti.
Itam. Yung Paris ulit ka niya kay. Paris ulit ka niya.
Ay, hindi pa makakain. Malam.
Tara pa lang na.
Orang mamumpay ng babae o ng lalaki. At sa nga nung babae, nung straight line ng lalaki. Puro sa lasang.
Napilyado na yung mga gamo. Nagsiturisa.
Ang paisong nila sa alisan ti siguro din alisan.
Ay,
Ito. Alisan ti
Talintaan nyo ka na dahil.
Ano yan?
Kamu kayo na bang kami naglalagay ng ulan ay. Dama gayong bagas na.
dati timu bulan.
Ano ba yung transplant?
Amon di niya
Ang number ni Mari, kung text na mga
Emilio.
Inyo.
Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko na. Mabalik ang community ko na. Kaya nakasarita niyo di... Kaya nalikan. Yung tarig teres mo ba rin mo makasarita niyo?
Hello. What did you buy?
Yes. Very wet. Somebody from the Raspadis. Ano mo?